Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this quick video, I'll show you how to turn off those memory flashbacks on Snapchat. You know, those 1 year ago today memories you didn't ask for? So yes, let's get into it. First, open your Snapchat app. Make sure you are logged in. Now tap on your bit emoji or profile icon in the top left corner to go to your main profile page. Now tap the gear icon in the top right to open your settings. Scroll down a bit until you find the option called Memories. This is where all your saved snaps and memory features live. Now here's the catch. As of now, there is no direct switch to turn off flashbacks, but you can control what gets saved using these options. Here, Smart Backup allows saving snaps to memories over cellular data. With Save button, you can choose where your snaps get saved, to memories, camera roll, or both. And autosave my story snaps. Disable this if you don't want your stories saved automatically. If you really want to avoid flashbacks, the best workaround is to delete old memories manually. Tap a memory, hold it, and select delete snap. So while there's no flashback off switch yet, you still have full control over what gets saved. So yes, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more honest tech walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.